Cream cheese filled scrambled eggs. That's what we're making today. And today also I wanted to share a little update with all of you. So first, I'm gonna take some eggs here and we're just gonna crack them into a bowl. And I had a lovely time nursing a neck injury the past few weeks, which is why there have been no videos. And that was very painful. to keep the long story short, very painful. Oh, and look, I can crack an egg with one hand. Bam. Just like that. Now, after you crack your eggs in, you're gonna wanna use some salt and some pepper, and then whisk it together with a fork. And do it at hypersonic speed like I'm doing here. Clearly no editing skills at all. No editing was involved. Oh, and then sliced green onion. I like to add this after whisking, just so give it a little mix right before you're gonna cook it. And it goes really good, trust me. Now, here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter, or as I like to call, a heart attack. And we're just gonna wait for that to melt and then we'll put the eggs in. But don't forget to give it a little mix to get the onion dispersed. Make sure you scrape it all out. All that egg. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. And it's gonna all cook over medium heat. And I'm gonna constantly be stirring it. That's the idea behind this. So yeah, this was an easy recipe I thought I could do for all of you. It's one of my favorite ways to have scrambled eggs. They become super creamy when the cream cheese melts into it, and then the onion gives it such a fantastic flavor. And as you can see, I'm stirring the whole time that they're cooking. And I just wanted to show you like how they change as you cook. And people like them at different doneness levels. I like them at this level where it's not liquidy anymore. And then you just go ahead and serve it. This is something that I wanted to make because it was easy for me to make while injured, among other things. But yeah, there you go. Cream cheese filled scrambled eggs with some green onion. Enjoy!